What's up guys, this is Serge with New Layer Customs. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle and the mirror on the new Audis. This is 2019 RS5, but I'm assuming it's going to work with any new Audi that has this type of door handle. As you can see, this is new door handle. They lift up and it's all one piece, it doesn't split. Surprisingly, it's fairly easy process. So first of all, you guys need to take this cap off. To take this cap off, you gotta slide the cap towards the back to the car. So basically, I just kind of lift it up a bit so I don't scratch the paint. And then you just, it's not the easiest process. It sits there pretty tight. There you go. So, and then when the cap slide a bit, then you have to just wiggle it around. Cap is off. As you can see, has like a little teeth kinda that goes inside those channels. So the next step after cap is off is to unscrew like two screws over here. In order to access them, you have to remove the light, and then light barely sits in there. Now light is off, you can go ahead and unplug it so it's out of your way. And this thing it just pops off and you can unplug it as well. Let me just put this inside. Don't lose this thing. And you got the access to those two screws. So there, that's Torque size 20. They sit really tight. Make sure you use the exact size so you don't strip them. If you strip them, then you have to drill it out or something. It just is. And then door handle just slides completely out. This, and then make sure you don't rip off those cables. And that's the door handle. Okay, so this is how you take a door handle off. In order to take all the mechanical parts, you need to take a door panel off and this side screw. It's fairly simple. It's the same as any other car. I'm gonna film another video how to take a mirror off, and that's required to take a panel off. So if you're interested, check out another one. But this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.